All right guys, yes, this is another one. Yes, in this video I am going to be installing the angel light of this headlight, the proper way to install it. Yes, as you can see on the other side, you can see it has been installed and it's not in place, it doesn't stay. So I am going to show you the proper way to get it done. So right now, to remove the headlight, we're going to be removing the bumper, removing the headlight. Yes, so this is a beautiful car. You can see how nice is this. It's a coupe. Actually, this process is going to be the universal process. So without further ado, let me get into it. So guys, to get it loose, I got 8mm here. Losing it up. I believe I can lose it without losing the bumper. Yes, losing it. And then I have a long T8, which you're going to dip it inside like so and then lose it. Yes, I'll take it back. And the other one, I have 4 there. So I'll get it loose. I get all the 4 bolts loose. Then you take it out gently. Yes, I believe it's the cable that is holding it back. So as you can see, I'll remove the cable. So I remove all the cable. I'm going to remove the headlight for you to see. So what you need to watch out for is this. This is hooked up inside. When you try to pull it out straight, it will not come out unless you bend it like so. Yes, bend it, you see, then pull it out. Yeah, that is it. And I don't see anything holding it. Okay, the wiper, yes, I'll take it out. So it's held by socket this, socket that. Yes, I couldn't be able to pull this out, so I remove it like this. You unsocket this is aftermarket bulb. You undo it, you can see. Yes, so that is it. So I'll unplug the hose and I'll get this one removed, and I'll get you guys back on. Okay guys, so I brought it on my table and right now I'm going to open it. Yes, I know this will not be difficult for me to open. Even with hand, I know I can open it. There's something that has already break there. Yes, you see, open it like this. Yes, because I know this one has been opened before and this one has been broken. So open it, I know, with care so that you won't get anything break. So you see here has been broke. So yes, that is it guys. So let's try opening this one. See, I'll take this one aside. We'll come back to this because I need to talk about this. So keeping it like this, coming on this one, we try to pull it off because I guess the gum is not holding it too tight like that. So open this, open and open. Pull it, pull and pull. Pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it. Get it open. Voila! This is it. Yes, you can see what I noticed on it. This is not a gum, it's just a seal rubber. Yes, which seal the headlight, the cover in place. Yes, you see that? So that is it. We are going to go back on the other side so that we can talk about it. So I bring this back. Let's talk about it. Yes, this has been broken. I'm going to fix it. You see that? I'm going to fix it, put it on the side. Yes, you can see, look at the gum they use on it. Don't ever use heat gun. Yes, this is heat rubber gun. Yes, so don't ever and ever use this on headlight because it's heat gun. So it's heat that softens the gun. So when you use heat gun on this, whenever you on the headlight and the headlight get heated, it will melt it up. You can see that. So this is not the best gum to use, but keep watching. I'm show you the actual gum that you are supposed to use on it to get it done. So let's get into it. I'll get you guys back on. Yeah, I don't want to use any sharp object or metal object to peel it. I'm going to use my finger, guys. So right now I am going to gum this. Yes, by gumming it, I'm going to use a glue. Yes, I'm not going to make any advert for anybody. This is what I'm going to use. I have it. Yes, it's a very strong glue. Okay guys, so Right now I'm going to open it up a little bit and then put gum, not much, so that it won't go inside where you don't want it to go. Then I'll bring it back like so. Then I'll do this, then I'll bring it back, then I'll close it and let it cure. After it cure, then I'll put it on it. Yeah, okay guys, so it has dried, it cure. So right now I'm going to sound it and make it look nice. Not really sound, yes, sound it a little bit. All that cracking hand that is scratching my hand should be dull. And you can see this, I get it clean, but it's not clean finish. So right now I'm going to wash it and wash everywhere. Even this I'm going to wash it. Yes, you can see I remove the bulb, remove all the necessary things that I need to remove. Then I'll wash it with detergent. You see these two, so I'm going to wash it, clean it and make it look nice. So I won't show you how I'm going to wash it. I'll just get it done and I'll get you guys back on. Guys, yes, this is it all washed. Yes, clean and nice. You see the glass, you see the frame, all has been washed. So I'll allow it to dry up and start assemble it back and putting the angel light. Yes, so stay tuned guys, I'll get you guys back on. Okay guys, yes, everything has dried. Yes, I've dried up. I put this in place. Yes, just do it. And right now I am going to install this. Yes, we have this is the one I have right now. Yes, there's a particular one for it that will fit. There's a round one. Yes, there's a round one and there's a U shape, whichever one you want, but this is what we have right now that we are going to install on this. So to install it, I will start by visualizing it, how it's going to fit in it. This is high beam, this is low beam. Yes, so we put it, I'm going to put it, okay. Yes, this is how it is. So we have the big one and the small one. This is the side. So I believe the big one will stay here like so, while the small one will stay like this. Yes, this is how it's going to stay. So I've seen it. I will remove it back and then start with the small one. Yes, I believe the small one will stay in place quite all right. So placing it and turning it over, we're going to pass the cable behind like so. Okay, so I believe it's okay like this. I'm going to take my super glue. Yes, taking my super glue, I drop it behind a little, yes, so that it can hold it in place like so, waiting for it to dry. Yes, take patience. Yes, it really take patience, so you will have to handle it with patience and care. Wait for it to cure, to dry, then I'll proceed. So it has cured, you can see it didn't fall out. Then I'm going to turn it over, turn it like this and take my glue. Yes, this glue is silicone glue. Yes, it's silicone. It's heat resistance. Yes, heat can't do it nothing. Yes, so this is what I will be using. I paste it in the syringe so that it will be easy for me to apply to anything that I'm doing. So that's why it's here. So it's just a silicone RTV silicone. Yes, this is what I'm using. So I'm going to clean it up and apply it like this, like so. It's too hot here. We are going to bend it a little. Yes. Do the other side. Thank you. So I'm going to allow it to dry up and then put the top one. So right now I'll allow it to dry, to cure, then I'll come back to it. Yes, so guys, it has cured. Yes, not fully cured, but you can see it's in place. So we are going to turn it over and then try to put the big one. Yes, like so, visualizing it, putting it the way you want it to be. So you can see it. This one is not going to touch the ground, but this is going to touch and then touch. So we are going to turn it over and do the same thing. Turn it over and do the same thing by putting a little bit super glue here. That you don't want to put much, because if you put much, can easily mess things up. So I will hold it till it dry. Yes, holding it like so, also blowing it. Then you have to be patient. Yes, Patience is the key. I'm waiting for it to cure, to dry. Yes, it's not dry yet. Still waiting. I may put a little bit again. Make sure that it dries off. Yeah, it must dry. So right now it has dried a little. Then we are going to take our RTV, and then it has not strong. You have to be careful. So start by this side, pressing it, yeah, in place. Then I'm going to press this in place. Then I'm going to do the top, that's in place. So we are going to turn it over and see how it looks. You can see it bends. So we are going to readjust it. Yes, I'm going to adjust it like so. So guys, as you can see right now, I get it in place. Yes, so I'm going to leave it till it cure. Yes, fully, then I'll get you back on. You see, I put this slab so that you can brace it for me to hold it in place. Yes, after this dry off enough, then I'll show you what I'm going to do on this. So stay tuned guys. Yes, I'll get you guys back on. So guys, it has cured enough. I am going to remove this, blow that side. Then I am going to build up this silicone. Yes, remove the tips and then build it up like this. Okay, I want you to see. So yes, you see that? That is how I build it up. So we are going to arrange it. Yes, that is it. So I'll leave it to cure, to dry, and then get you guys back on. Okay, right now everything has dried. Yes, even if it didn't dry finished, it's going to dry inside it. Yes, so right now I'm going to install it back. Yes, by pulling this. Yes, pulling it, and then put the wire cable behind. Put the wire, come out behind it. Yes, like so. Do the second one. Yes, like so. Put back the top. Yes, the face. Putting it just the way it is. Yes, without issue. Okay, I'm supposed to put it through this one. Yes, so I'm going to change it. Putting the cable through this side, not the other side. So I hope it enter easily. One entered. Put the second one. Yes, I put it. So draw it inside like so. All right, so I'm going to install it easily, just the way it is. Yes, so, and then clip it in place. Yes, like this. Then we are going to take the cover, the glass, the transparent cover. So sorry about the music. Yes, from the other compound. So we're going to install the glass in place. No, like this. Clip it in place. So press it. Make sure the clip hold it tight. Yes, and the upper one. Yes, and that is it. So I am going to get the other one done, finished. Then we will meet it in when I want to install it to the car. Yes, this is it, how it is. You see how beautiful it is. And well, okay, so that is it guys. I'll get the other one done and I'll get you guys back on. Okay guys, yes, you can see guys, I get it done, finished. So right now we are going to install it to the car. Yes, after installing it, we're going to connect the module. So I'm going to install this, then I'll show you. Then this is it. We are going to, yes, okay guys, yes, I get the module. Yes, you can see it. This is module that control with app. Yes, I'll show you the app in a minute. So but right now we're going to connect it. It's very easy, it's very simple. Yes, we have the socket here. Yes, but on this side, for leaving it for long, so the manifold get it burned. So maybe I'm going to do something about it. Yes, so right now I'm going to open it up and get it connected. Yes, if I get it connected finished, then I'll show you how I get it. So let me get into it. All right guys, yes, I get it connected. Yes, this is how I connect it up, by banding it here. I don't want to cut the wire, that's why I band it here. I'm going to use a zip tie to hold it in place here. So I'm still going to use a zip tie here too, and this is the main module. I use a zip tie to hold it in place, and here this I leave it like this so that if I want to scan it with the phone, want to use the app, yes, so it's all the way under here, the way I connect the other side. Yes, it's pretty simple to connect. Yes, you can see here now, going to remove it all. You see here, these two for the other side and this for the other side, for the left side. This is left and right, and this is positive, while this, the black one, is negative, while this white one is a pointer. That's navigator light. Yes, you put one according to this, you put white one on this side navigator, and you put the other one on this side navigator. So pointer, yes, signal, I mean signal, yes, the white cable. So that is it, guys. So on the app, I'm going to show you the app on the top of this video. Yes, and then the way I connect it, I'm supposed to connect it with the parking light, but because the car is still on some process, so I decided to collect it on fog lamp. So I'm going to on it for you to see. Yes, this place is pretty tight. Yes, E46, yes, this is where I'm supposed to connect it to. When you turn it like this, it's supposed to turn on, but I didn't connect it there. Yes, best known to me for now. That's how we want it for now. Yeah, so you on the ignition and then turn this on, the fog lamp. You see that it illuminates, and then you will see, you can see it. Yes, this is how it display. Okay, I'm going to close the bonnet. Okay, so you can see, so with the app you can change, you can do whatever thing, the color you want to do on it. So that is it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.